All right, so the holiday season is approaching and you might need some gift ideas for your favorite homeowner or do-it-yourselfer or yourself. So I've got some of my favorites here. We're gonna start off with this one. This is great around the house. I actually discovered these at the home show. These are called grip sticks, and what it is, it's a little sliding fastener or clip for bags of chips or crackers or whatever you have around the house. You can even use them for things in your shop. It just slides right on. It holds super firm. It keeps everything fresh. It does not come off. They're super sturdy, and if they get dirty, you can even throw them in the dishwasher. They come in a bunch of different sizes. You can get variety packs and whatever. Gripstick.com is where you find those. This next one is one of my absolute favorites. Everybody's got a razor knife in their shop or maybe garage or a kitchen drawer. I don't like the kind with the sliding switch. Now they have these that work more like a pocket knife, and this brand is my absolute favorite. This is from Harbor Freight, a Gordon razor knife. It works like a pocket knife. I love how easy the blades come in and out, and I love that it folds so that it's safe in my pocket. If I'm working on a project and I just toss it in my pocket, I know I'm not gonna get cut up. But one of my favorite things about this is that they come in bright colors. So you can always find it in your toolbox, in your kitchen drawer, in your shop drawer, or whatever. $5.99 for one of my favorite things that I discovered this year. I always say, every person that does yard work or has a shop needs a great pair of leather work gloves, so you can pick something up like this. Leather gloves, $10, $12, $15 for your favorite do-it-yourselfer. Here's another one of my faves that I picked up this year. A nice Stanley tape measure. This one is magnetized at the end, so a lot of times I'm working on projects alone, so you can stick it to something. You don't need another person to help you hold it. Love it. That is about 20 bucks at your big box stores. All right, a flashlight. Every house needs a flashlight. Every workshop needs a flashlight. I actually use one to work on my car sometimes. This one is amazing. It's by Energizer. I got it at Target for about 34 bucks. It is blazingly bright. It has different settings so you can have it not be so bright, and you don't even need batteries for it. It's got a rechargeable battery, so you charge it with a mini USB. Love, love, love this thing. In fact, I would like more than one in my house. Now, let's go to the little more higher end stuff. You don't have to be very far into being a do-it-yourselfer before you find out that a power screwdriver, drill driver becomes very, very handy. So I got this one in the last year, this DeWalt. I love it. It's battery operated. It actually came with the carrying case, a charger, and 2 batteries. And one of the things I really like about this one is it's scaled down a little bit so it actually fits my hand. But they have them in different sizes, and your do-it-yourselfer would just love having that. That goes for about 160 bucks if you get the ones with 2 batteries. All right, last but not least, this was probably my favorite gift that I got this year, and actually in a long time. A Makita leaf blower that runs on a battery pack. It also comes with a weed whacker. They share a battery. These 2 things have made my life so much easier around the yard. I just love, love, love them. The battery lasts a really long time. It's got variable speed. There's so many great features to this, and you can get the duo plus the charger and the battery for about 280 bucks. So there you have it, gift ideas for your favorite do-it-yourselfer on Jill of All Trades.